Hello, today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about pregnancy and chiropractic. There are tons of women out there, number one, who are pregnant or postpartum, who are in pain. Usually it's in their hips and low back, that's the most common, but new mothers also a lot of upper back, shoulder stuff because, well, they're here, and especially if they're breastfeeding, they're doing a lot of this. A lot of times you are in pain. Not only are your muscles working overtime, so you should be doing your stretches, you should be getting a massage by somebody who is trained to give prenatal massages, but you need to be getting chiropractic during your pregnancy. Your pelvis is going to be shifting. All of your joints are having to carry different forces, not only because you're heavier, but because your center of gravity literally changes. And especially as you go through your pregnancy, your pelvis, it's all nice and pretty like this, it can start to shift. So that's where you get that leg pain, the more one side of your back is hurting. And usually pretty easy to kind of get your body back balanced. One of the problems you can have when your pelvis gets kind of twisted like that, and generally you sort of feel it because you feel like you're standing on one leg more than the other. But one of the things that can happen is your uterus gets constrained. Your uterus is connected to your pelvis. If your pelvis is twisted, so is your uterus, and that means there's not going to be as much room for the baby in certain areas. Another thing that can happen is your sciatic nerve starts to get pinched. You can sort of see it right here. That guy right there in the yellow. That is the sciatic nerve. It doesn't take much to make those so they're irritated, and then you start getting stuff down your legs. So if you or anybody you know is pregnant or just had a baby, you just went through a lot. Your body needs a little love. You can't give to everybody else. Sometimes you got to give to yourself, because just like in the airplane, put your own oxygen on first. You have to be able to help yourself in order for you to help others. So that is what I think about chiropractic and pregnancy. Plus, I know how it feels. So I got a little guy growing there myself, or girl, I don't know. I'm not really sure which one it is. But I highly encourage you to get chiropractic care. I'm trained. I have specialty pillows that you can lay on, so when you're pregnant you can lie on your belly, which is wonderful. Most pregnant women love that. Give my office a call, 716-0646, and I'll get you taken care of.